The meeting opens in a conference room. The employees sit around a long table. Papers and laptops are placed neatly in front of them. The secretary stands to begin the meeting.
Good morning, everyone. Since everyone is here, our meeting begins now. Our agenda focuses on improving sales and marketing strategies.
The company aims to increase its profit this quarter. Every department plays an important role.
Our sales report shows that the customer interest in our product rises steadily.
However, customer compliance also increased. The service team need to respond quickly.
The marketing team believes that stronger online campaigns help us more clients.
Social media promotion creates awareness and consistent posting keeps the audience engaged.
Our creative content attracts younger buyers, but traditional methods still work for older customers.
Face-to-face interaction with clients remains effective because personal trust matters.
The financial reports indicates that sales growth supports company stability.
Still, high expenses affect the profit margin. Careful budgeting ensures balance.
The resources team reminds us that employee motivation influences productivity.
A happy worker delivers better results, while teamwork strengthens performance.
Our survey reveals that the customer satisfaction improves when the employee shows teamwork.
Innovation drives growth. Every product improvement gives us an advantage.
The research team provides useful data and accurate analysis that guides decision making.
Collaboration between sales and marketing creates stronger strategies.
Each idea counts and every suggestion leads us closer to success.
The management expects full cooperation and its team deliver its best.
Consistent effort brings long-term results and instant payoffs.
Thank you, everyone. Your input matters greatly. This meeting ends here and the action plan follows tomorrow.
The meeting closes with smiles and nods. The team feels motivated, ready to work together for the company's success.